Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nilu, and today I'm going to be reviewing the blue Snowball mic. So let's get to that video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is a product that I ordered off of Amazon so that I can record my voice when I'm doing tutorials for on-screen or with my Cricut. Originally when I bought it, I did get it for a podcast. Unfortunately, I don't have the time right now to do a podcast, but that's originally what I bought it for. And now everything you see here came in a set from Amazon. I will go ahead and put that link in the description box below for you guys to see for yourselves. In the box that came from Amazon came the blue Snowball mic, which is really good. I love the quality. If you guys want to hear the audio quality, I'll go ahead and link a video that I did. It's really short and it was all recorded on the mic. So I'll go ahead and link that in the card above for you guys. Inside the box, you get your Snowball, you get your shock mount. Now for the shock mount, everything that came in this package was adaptable to the Snowball mic. The shock mount is used for it's used with the arm when you're trying to record, and it prevents the shock would be the right way to say it. It prevents if you accidentally hit the mic or hit the desk or something like that, you won't pick that up on the mic when you're recording. Also came with the adjustable arm, which you can place on a desk or anything like that when you're doing your recordings for a little bit easier. It does come in the box. It does come with its own personal little mic. You can adjust this going up and down and stuff like that with this, which is really easy, and that's what I normally use. And then this is also a pop filter. So this is really for the noise when you're using words that have a lot of pop in it with your P's and stuff like that. So that it doesn't sound weird going into the mic, that you're not like blowing out the ears of your listeners, type of thing. So that's what comes inside the package. Inside the package is that's everything that comes inside the package, including the cord to hook it up to your computer. And so yeah, the whole review of this, I think it was a great value. When I purchased it, it was $75 for the whole set, and the whole set included everything you see here, which I thought was a really good value, because when you look at the mics by itself, they're about $60, so I didn't think it was that much more to get the gear that goes with the mic, so I went ahead and did that. So like I said, I'll go ahead and link everything down in the description. Please check out that video for sound quality. Overall, I give the product definitely an A+. The sound is so crystal clear, so good. Very easy to use with GarageBand, which is on my MacBook Air. And I think it's a great product. So yeah, thank you again for joining me today. Alrighty, so my overall impressions and review of the product, I would definitely give it an A+. It's really good sound quality, really easy to install and really easy to use. So I would definitely recommend it. Well guys, I hope you loved this video. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe button. On this channel, I do reviews for all products that I use in my Etsy shop and my crafting shop here in my garage. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please consider subscribing. Thank you again and have a great one.